Paslode nail gun repair. So she's making a dull thud but not doing anything. She's attempting to fire but not actually firing. Making a thud instead of a bang, and she's not putting out any nails. So that is either going to be a problem with the firing pin or a problem with the reed valve. This boy on here. The pin's not coming back to actually get a proper combustion, and she isn't loading a new nail. So let's get under here, see what the crack is. So that thing has been hardly used at all. Outside of it's spotless, and the inside of it's clean. And there's your problem down in there. The pin's not coming fully back. She's still sat down here. The pin itself looks fine. Anybody spot the problem? What in the hell is going on here? Seriously? Anybody see it? It's been built wrong. Brand new gun. Assembled wrong. So that's why I just took that off of there. Nah, it's not a manufacturing fault. It's a repair fault. Somebody's just rebuilt this wrong. I know it's not a manufacturing fault because of that gauze. That's the filter for the exhaust. As you can see, there's 4 marks on it. In other words, that has been moved before. So someone's had this out already. Maybe during a service and flipped it round. Whenever they've opened it and put it back together again, they've put it back together wrong. So they've done that, which is incorrect. Obviously all that's doing is just sandwiching this reed valve closed. It's meant to be built like this, as you can see in that plate as well. Outline of the O-ring where it had been previously fitted correctly. So it's not a manufacturing fault. It's just that it's a fairly young gun, not got a lot of use, but it has been serviced and just done wrong. So that plate has the smooth side down. Then your actual reed valve sits on top of that. So whenever the gun actually fires, and the gas in here ignites and expands, pin is shot, it slides down. Once it gets past the reed valve, once the pin gets down to here, the exhaust fumes have enough pressure to open these valves and expel the gas. And once it's out, pressure is equalised, these spring shut again, and the leftover hot gas that is expanded cools down pretty quick and sucks the pin back up again. So whenever your gun's firing and not putting out any nails, or you think it's not taking the pin back, that's why it's generally always the reed valve that's the problem. If this reed valve doesn't reseat correctly and seal, it doesn't get the suction to actually pull this pin back again. It'll either not fire, just make a very weak puffing sound and not do anything, or it will fire but not put out any nails. So you can fire all you want, but the nails don't come out. It'll be because the firing pin's not going back far enough and allowing the next nail to slide up in front of the pin. She'll still be sticking out and the pins will be underneath it. So if ever that bother, open her up and check that there reed valve. But at least this one now will just be a simple and easy fix. So just get some fresh oil on here. And that should hopefully solve our problem. No reason to service this gun. She really does need a clean, so I'll not bother servicing it. That's her. One Paslode Im50f18 nail gun. Fixed up again by simply rebuilding the reed valve correctly. That's her. A quick and easy fix.